Hi, it's Rob from desiruser.blogspot.com with a quick look at a new camera app downloaded a couple of weeks ago called Vintage Cam, I think it's called. Let's have a look. Where is it? Retro Camera, sorry, this one here. Let's have a look. This is a really cool camera app. I've reviewed in the past Vignette, which is another excellent camera app, but this one's a little bit different. What you do is if you press this button here, these are all the different sort of cameras that the app simulates. So we've got a fudge cam, which I guess is like a box brownie. We've got a pinhole camera. Oop, a bit too far. We've got a Zolaroid or Polaroid. Oop, we've got a little orange, what do they call it? Little orange box. I guess that's a plastic holder or something like that. Then we've got the barbell, which is I guess is like a Russian or East German type camera. And what you do, you tap on about this camera and it comes up with the different specs and an example photograph. And then what you do, if you tap that and we tap on use this camera, and then we're there, and that bit in the middle is the viewfinder. And then just take a picture, we press that button there, and then it'll process it, but we can carry on. Now if we want to go back to the different types of camera, we press that. Let's have a look at one of the others. Have a look, say the Polaroid. So use this camera, and with this one you can see there's a colour or a black and white option, so by tapping that we can go back. So let me just take a colour picture of something in there. Right, so I've taken a picture. So what I can do now is if I press that button there, we can head, I think it's that button. Yeah, we head to the dark room. This is in use, which means that it's processing. So we just wait for it to process it. I've turned this onto the high resolution setting, so you get better pictures, but it takes a little bit longer for the phone to render them. So oh yeah, you're not really going to see. It's because I'm recording this at night, so you're not really going to see these pictures very well. But you get the idea. It's quite cool the way there's some Polaroids I took before. You can sort of flick through all the pictures you've taken, and then I think you can kind of tap on them to have a look at them closer. This is one of the other cameras. You can see it puts a really nice border around it for that sort of retro camera look. So there we go. So that's the Zolaroid, and then you can choose one of the other cameras as well. So as you can see, it's a really fun app to use. Dead easy to use as well. I mean, it's not exactly the quickest thing to change around, but you can have some right fun with different styles. The only thing that's a little bit disappointing about it is the fact that you can't see how you can import photographs. One of the really strengths of Vignette is that you can import pictures you've taken with the inbuilt app on the camera into the program, and then use the program's algorithms to apply different effects to photographs you've already taken. But you don't appear to be able to do that with this app, which is a bit of a shame. And I don't think it uses the full resolution of your camera either yet. But I mean, with these applications, they update them all the time, so they'll probably be working on that. So that's a retro camera. Just search the Android market for retro camera, and it will come up. And yeah, it's well worth downloading and playing with. My name's Rob from robnonphoto.com. Thanks for watching.